Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umkosta Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Ashley Ogle, a girlfriend, Sweet Guluva, ithengise onge, like I mean onge, ma-sunglasses DJ Zinhle labita 1.2. This is after Ugel was announced as a face of era kesana bamsebenzisa as model fake ama-sunglasses abambe amabhege so that ibhizinisi ihambe. Guess what, after people seeing ukuthi u-Ogle uyi-face of era, people decided ukuthi bakline sitoko sa-DJ Zinhle wathengisa onke. I mean like everything. Onke ama-sunglasses DJ Zinhle labi wabita 1.2 bawathenge onke because of who? Because of Ashley. So one thing about DJ Zinhle, angibona ngathi u-relevant, bantu bakuthanda otokusonzeta duze and that's one thing labantu bangayifunzi nga-DJ Zinhle. DJ Zinhle osonzeta wonke umuntu duze naye, usonzeta ama-content creators, ama-fans akhe, everyone nje lambona ngazuthi u-relevant, uyati ukuthi yati kuthini lana, I'm gonna kill two birds with one stone. Bukela uthathe Ashley wambeke esikhwameni, nake business it's booming. Nyalo khipha ingoma na Sweet Guluva. Balabani bathi we cannot wait. Lokusho kona ukuthi uyohlala kanjani naye relevant because bantu naye bamthanza and bathanza futhi ukuthi unebuntu, akabathathi bantu as my friends akhe, but bathatha as what? As friends. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.